Market order or limit order? Which one should I choose and what is the difference? Hey guys, my name is Ken and today we'll review what is market order and limit order. I'll try to explain it in plain English so even a middle schooler understands. Trade that like button and invest in subscription to the channel and let's go! When you place an order to buy or sell a stock, there are two execution options. Place the order at the market or place the order at the limit. Buying stock is a bit like buying a car. With a car, you can pay the dealer's sticker price and get the car, or you can negotiate a price and refuse to finalize the deal unless the dealer meets your valuation. The stock market works in a similar way. Putting it to the stock market, market orders are transactions meant to execute as quickly as possible at the current market price, while limit orders set the maximum or minimum price at which you are willing to complete the transaction, whether it be a buy or sell. Market orders offer a greater likelihood that an order will go through, but there are no guarantees, as orders are subject to availability, i.e. liquidity. Let's dig a little deeper to this and get to know more on the technical side of it. Let's start with market orders. When a typical investor imagines a typical stock market transaction, they think of market orders. These orders are the most basic buy and sell trades where a broker receives a security trade order and then processes it at the current market price. For example, an investor enters an order to purchase 100 shares of a company XYZ Incorporated at the market. Since the investor opts for whatever price XYZ shares are going for, the trade will be filled rather quickly at whatever the current price of that security is at. Even though market orders offer a greater likelihood of a trade being executed, there is no guarantee that it will actually go through. All stock market transactions are subject to the availability of given stocks and can vary significantly based on the timing, the size of the order, and the liquidity of the stock. It's also worth bearing in mind that a market order that is placed after trading hours will be filled at the market price on open the next trading day. Now, let's review limit orders. Limit orders are designed to give investors more control over the buying and selling prices of their trades. Prior to placing a purchase order, a maximum acceptable purchase price amount must be selected. Minimum acceptable sales prices, meanwhile, are indicated on sales orders. A limit order offers the advantage of being assured the market entry or exit point is at least as good as the specified price. Limit orders can be of particular benefit when trading in a stock that is thinly traded, highly volatile, or has a wide bid-ask spread. Placing a limit order puts a ceiling on the amount an investor is willing to pay. Let's look at an example. If an investor is worried about XYZ shares for a higher price and thinks it is possible to get them for a lower price instead, it might make sense to enter a limit order. If at some point during the trading day, XYZ drops to the lower price or below, the order will be triggered and the investor will have bought XYZ at the specified preset limit order price or less. Of course, this also means that if at the end of the trading day, XYZ doesn't go as low as the investor set limit order, the order will be unfilled. It is common to allow limit orders to be placed outside of market hours. In these cases, the limit orders are placed into a queue for processing it as soon as trading resumes. Limit orders are more complicated to execute than market orders and subsequently can result in higher brokerage fees. That said, for low-volume stocks that are not listed on major exchanges, it may be difficult to find the actual price, making limit orders an attractive option. Let us know in the comments which type of orders do you use in your investing. You are also welcome to ask any question about investing, which we'll try to cover in the future. There are more videos on the channel, make sure to check them out. If you liked the video, smash the like button. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.